Srivastav teaching you maths of class 9th NCERT, chapter 7 triangle. Previous lecture I have explained 7.1 exercise. Now we will see here some properties of the triangle. In isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. So on the basis of this we will prove the sum theorem. Here in isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Theorem 7.2, angle opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, which is called base angle. Now how will you prove this theorem? Given triangle ABC, in which AB equal to AC given, angle B equal to angle C, you want to prove this angle equal to this angle. So first of all, construction in this, we will draw a line AD, which is angle bisector of angle A, meets BC at D. There are two triangles you are getting, both the triangle you prove congruent, then automatically B and C is equal. So proof in triangle ABD and ACD, AB equal to AC given, AD is common in both, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, this angle is equal to this angle because of the construction. So by SAS congruency, triangle BAD congruent to triangle CAD, then by CPCT this angle B is equal to angle C, hence proved. Next theorem is given, just converse of this theorem. When the sides are equal, side opposite to equal side angles. Here side was equal, now angle is given equal. In a triangle ABC, another theorem is given, the side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. Angles are equal, then the sides will be also equal. It is the converse theorem of the previous. Again, triangle ABC, angles are given equal, you want to prove sides are equal. For this, we will see the construction is as it is. Draw the angle bisector of angle A, AD. Now again two triangles, but here sides are not equal, only one side is common. So in triangle ABD and ACD, AD is common in both. Angle B equal to angle C given, and BAD is equal to CAD by the construction angle bisector. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. AAS, not ASA. AAS, by AAS congruency, triangle ABD congruent to ACD, by CPCT, AB is equal to AC. Hence proved. Now we will see the example number 4 in the book, what is given. Example 4. Example 4 is given this. In triangle ABC, AD is the angle A, AD of angle A perpendicular to the, it is a bisector of angle A perpendicular to the base. You want to prove it is an isosceles triangle. One triangle ABDC is given, AD is the angle bisector as well as perpendicular to the base. So again you apply same theorem, no construction here. Both the triangle AD common, one angle given bisector, one angle given perpendicular 90 degrees. So both you are taking two angles and included side. It is by ASA. Congruency, both the triangle congruent, then AB equal to AC by CPCT. If the two sides are equal, then it will be a equivalent isosceles triangle. Two sides of a triangle. It is example number 4. Now we will see the example number 5 of this. 5 is given, example 5 is given this. In this figure E and F are the respectively midpoint of the equal sides. Midpoint of equal sides. And then you want to prove BF is equal to C. BF is equal to C you want to prove. So here given you write heading ABC, E and F are the midpoint of AB and AC, and AB equal to AC, it is also given. So you want to prove BF is equal to C. First of all you see the figure. In this figure this angle is given and common. If you take this triangle, ABF and ACE. Two triangles separately I have drawn, ABF and ACE. This side given to this, and this angle is a common between both A, and this side is half of the equal sides. Half of the equal side. Three parts you are getting, one angle and two sides. This is the another two sides you are getting by half of A is equal to AF. So by SAS property of congruency, ABF congruent to ACF. So CPCT BF is equal to C. Hence proved. Example number 5 is given here. In triangle, this isosceles triangle, D and E are the point on side BC such that B is equal to CD. BD not, BE is equal to CD it is given. You want to prove AD equal to AE. So there is a two option. First of all you draw the figure. AD is equal to AE you want to prove. So one, you first of all B is equal to CD given. So B is BD plus D. But in the book like this given, CD plus C and D will be cancelled. So BD equal to EC, and then base angles are equal. By SAS you prove congruent these two small triangles. But I am not taking this. I am taking here a big triangle, this triangle from here till here, ABE separately, and this triangle till here, ADC. Two triangle I am taking. In this two triangle, AB equal to AC given already. B is equal to CD also given. Why will break it? You are seeing two parts. And this angle will be equal to this angle because of base angle of isosceles triangle B equal to C. So by these three, two side and included angles, SAS congruency, triangle ABE congruent to ACD, ABE not ADC, ACD congruent, then by CPCT AE is equal to AD. Hence proved. And book one more method is given that you can see. Exercise 7.2, two questions you see in this lecture. In an isosceles triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. The bisector of both the angles meet each other at O. Join AO and then prove that OB equal to OC and AO bisect angle A. So first of all you draw the triangle ABC. Then draw bisectors, these two are bisectors which meeting at O, and then join AO. It is the question instruction. So given you write down, in triangle ABC, OB and OC, bisector. What is OB and OC are the angle bisector. And then join OA. What is given? Join OA. Now you prove these two conditions, OB equal to OC and also AO bisect angle A you want to prove. So first of all, without congruency we can prove it. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC given. AB is equal to AC given, then angle ABC, this full angle will be equal to this full angle or not by base angle, angle opposite to equal side. If these two angles are equal, then their half will be also equal by axiom. Half of the equals are equal, and half of this will be angle OBC, this angle, and angle OCB, this angle, because OB and OC are the bisector, angle bisector. This angle sign, angle bisector. That's why half of full will be angle OBC. And now we will see this triangle. In triangle OBC, in triangle OBC, this angle is equal to this angle. Then what about these two sides? Side opposite to equal angle. Just I have proved the theorem. Side opposite to equal angles are equal. So opposite side of equal angles of triangle OBC. Hence proved. First part is proved. Second part, you will take this triangle AOB and AOC. This triangle I have drawn here separately. In these two triangles, OA is common side. OB equal to OC we have proved above. AB equal to AC given by triple S congruency. Triangle AOB congruent to AOC, and then by CPCT you can say that this angle is equal to this angle, BAO equal to CAO by CPCT. Then OA is the bisector of angle A, hence proved. Question number 2 is given figure. In the question number 2, in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular as well as bisector of BC. Perpendicular and bisector both. You want to prove it is isosceles, be they be equal to AC. Now again you want every congruency will be based on 3 parts. So in triangle ABC, first you write given in the third form AD perpendicular and a bisect BC. Proof triangle ABC isosceles. Both the triangle I am taking. AD common. BD equal to DC because it is given. AD bisect BC. Angle ADB equal to ADC 90 because AD perpendicular to BC. 3 conditions you are getting. So SAS by angles side ADB congruent to ADC. So AB equal to AC by CPCT, hence triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Proved. Right angle, then always the mind to just divert towards the RHS, but always not the RHS. It may be the AAS, it may be the ASA, it may be the SAS. So always keep in your mind. Now this is over. Rest part of the 7.2 exercise I will explain in the next lecture. Thanks and